You wanna play mini games? Hey guys, Shadow here. Haven't uploaded in a while, so technically I'm back. Yeah, I'll be uploading more videos as much as I can, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new rain cosmetics in the item shop. Well, not the item shop. Okay, so rainy, very cool. Woo! These are cool. Oh, just gonna equip these. And these, and these, and these, and sprint over here. So I can't really buy anything. I'm broke. So if I run over here, I'm red. So we've got this bunny. Oh, he's cute. So I presume these are the same, just different color. I like the yellow one the most. Got Easter hat, pretty nice. Easter coming around. Happy Easter, guys. Then we got, oh, I didn't know they'd be put on like that. I'd prefer, like, it's just my opinion, but I'd prefer like standing like that, and the boots would be fully on the ground. Like, got these, nice design, nice blue skies. Yellow, typical classic boots. Aw, this hat's cute. Yellow rain hat, keep the rain off my monkey head. Very nice. And to go with it, we got the little coat kind of thing. Very nice. And that's it, guys.